Good morning, students. Let's see how we can create a web page with help of given instructions in the assessment paper. I hope in the previous videos we have already revised our lots of basic tags in the HTML, and with the help of those tags we are going to complete this mock assessment today. So as you can see on the right side of the screen, we have one image which is instructed to be put in the background of the web page. The name of the image is wallpaper.png. So we know every HTML code start with the HTML tag. Then we have a body. To show the background, we are basically using body space background equals to wallpaper.png and the body tag supposed to be ended in the beginning. So this is a way that we can show any background image. This we have learned in previous videos also as well. It is revised again. Now, so instruction 1 is achieved. Now let's move to the next instruction in the assessment paper. Second instruction is the text park is shown on the title bar of the web page. Title bar. Now see they are talking about title bar. And as I have guided, the title bar is a part of head area. And head is always coming above the body. See, so this concept is used when and only you are given any task to do in the title bar area. So I am creating a head tag to show the title bar area. And here is the title tag, and title tag should contain the text that we want to show in the title bar area. I repeat, we do not use we do not use this head part in the case there is no instruction to use title bar. So while solving any assessment or while designing any web page, if you don't want to show anything in title bar area, don't use head bar. Directly start HTML and body. Okay, I hope it's clear till here. Let's move to the next instruction. The next instruction in the assessment paper is they're asking to apply a largest size heading on top of a web page as shown below. Heading is written in Jokerman font in yellow color. It is underlined and it is appearing in the middle of the web page. In short, there is a heading in the web page which is the largest heading, and it is underlined, it is yellow, it is Jokerman. So it is in the middle. So for showing anything in the middle, we use center tag. Center tag, then there is a H1 tag. It is used, okay, it is used to show a larger size heading. Let's see what is the heading. The heading is Welcome to Butterfly Park. So I just write my heading, Welcome to Butterfly Park. Now heading is closed. I should not forget, they are asking this should be in yellow color, and also they want I should change the font family. So to change the color of the text, we have learned in previous videos that we use font tag, font color equals to yellow, and inside the font we will put our text. So font tag is closed. They are also requesting it should be underlined. So to make it underlined, we will close our text Welcome to Butterfly Park inside the U tag. You can see I'm using U tag to put an underline beneath the heading. So my code of the heading is this: H1 for showing largest heading, font to change the color, U to make it underline. And since I started center, so I'm going to close the center. So this is a way that we put any heading in the middle of the web page and we make it underline and we also change its face. So if you want to change its face, means font family as a Arial. By default, it is Arial, but if you want to change it as a Jokerman as it is showing in the paper, so we use face. Face is the synonym of font family. Okay, so face equals to Jokerman. Please focus again. Face is used only and only if you want to change the font family. Okay, and it is a part of font type. So my heading code is done. Okay, I hope till here it's clear to all of you. Now, what is the next instruction? They want a paragraph. They want a paragraph, instruction number 4, in white color with text size 7. Okay, and it is also in the middle of the web page. This is basically a poem which is shown in the middle. Remember, text size is 7. Okay, so again, they want me that things should be in the middle. So since they want things should be in the middle, so do you recommend I should close the center tag here or I should close after the end of this poem paragraph? Yes, you are absolutely right. We should end it after the close of poem paragraph, or otherwise I can apply center tag again. Both options are there. So let's start p tag. P tag is used to write a paragraph. When you have multiple lines like poem or any like story, you use p tag. Inside this p tag, they want the text size is 7. So text size is 7. So font tag is used. Size is equals to 7. And they want color. The color of the font is white. So color equals to white. Clear? And inside the font tag, let's go to the paragraph information. This is here. So I just copy in from the PDF of the question paper. I'm copying the data. It will save my time. So that I recommend in assessments or while making the page also, you can just paste it. So I have pasted, but we should not forget. If you see output carefully, after the bright word, there is a line change. So to change any line in HTML, I need to use BR tag. I repeat, I need to use BR tag. So after B bright, I am using BR. I am highlighting this for you. BR tag is used to change the line. So after bright word, I have used BR. This BR I need to use again after the sight word also. After sight, the line has to be changed. Then after tall, line has to be changed. So again BR. I need to paste BR after every line when the line has to be changed. BR tall, then call. After call, then all. And like this, our paragraph is ready. So successfully I have created this poem. Let's see what is the next instruction. The next instruction is saying an image butterfly.png. You can see in the diagram a butterfly image supposed to be shown. So and this is also in middle. So obviously after the paragraph I am supposed to do this. So after the closing of my p tag, I have to show image, not as a background. I have to show it externally. It's not in the background. The butterfly is not in the background. It is a separate. So to show any separate image, we use img src equals to butterfly.png. So remember, if the assessment or if like in your web page designing, if you want to show any separate image, not as a background, you use img, and src is used to tell the name of the image. They have also mentioned the image width is 200 pixels. So I just put width equals to 200 pixel. See, my simple code to show any image separately. And guys, this web page I hope is designed completely because they are saying save your web page. So this web page design is over. So I need to close what? The body tag, which I didn't close, and HTML tag. Only these things were left. And what is the instruction to save it? Let's see. The name of the page is already mentioned on the top instruction. Name is butterflypath.html. So I just go to File, Save As. I have created a folder at the desktop. Suppose I have created a folder, Butterfly Web Page Mock 3. Okay, so inside the folder, I give the name. Here you should not do mistake. Use correct butterfly path.html. I just save it. And if you have images in your folder, I have used two images. One I have used butterfly, and the second image I have used that was the wallpaper. If I have both images in my folder, then automatically I will be able to achieve. So learners, this is my folder. I already saved my web page butterflypark.html. This is my wallpaper image in the same folder. This is my butterfly image in the same folder. And this folder I have created at the desktop. So let me run this page. To run this page, I right click and I use open with. And in this open with, I use any browser to run my page. And you can see the page is ready. My heading is coming, my paragraph is coming, my butterfly is also coming, and my background image is also coming. I hope this has helped you to learn how to show image with help of img tag, how to show paragraph with help of p tag, how to show a heading in the middle of the web page with the underline and all. Thank you.